Hey guys, in this video I'm just kind of going through this coolant pump that I have off my surface grinder. It was just going to be a quick cleanup job, but it turned into a little bit more than that. I mean, it still was a pretty quick thing to do. The coolant pump I'm pretty sure works. I just wanted to clean it up a little bit so that I could, just pour coolant into it and use it. So I tore it apart and cleaned it up just very lightly, the pump wise, and it wasn't really too bad to take apart. It's like 4 screws and 2 nuts. Then there's a set screw to take the impeller out. No key, just flat on the shaft that the set screw bit into. It's a cast impeller with holes for balancing. You can see the flat there. Wasn't really too dirty. I kind of thought it was a little weird that the tank was empty when I got it, but I was thinking about replacing the bearings, but they seem like they're alright. Didn't need to worry about that. They're good Fafner bearings. Windings look pretty good. So I ended up quickly sandblasting the box and found quite a bit of nasty rot holes in the 2 spots, so I went ahead and soldered them back up, and of course ended up chasing my tail a little bit with the seams because they were all soldered, and I just put a quick coat of paint on it and put it back together. It was all good. And then here are some pictures of before and after. Just whatever. Just a quick job. And then these are more pictures of a different coolant pump that I tore down the other day and cleaned up for my bandsaw, the jet bandsaw. It was pretty dirty. It was locked up though. It didn't turn over, so I made up a quick little bearing puller to get this bearing out because it was pretty seized. Not quite all the way seized, but it worked alright. So I just used a pry bar and was able to get the bolt head in there and then pry the bearing out. Then I replaced it with I actually cleaned the bearing out and put it back in. And here's a video of it working. Thank you for watching.